friends. So in the last video we did a blinking LED project with our Raspberry Pi by connecting the Raspberry Pi to a screen. In this video we will do that same blinking LED project but on a headless Raspberry Pi. Now let's understand what is a headless Raspberry Pi. So in a non-headless Raspberry Pi we run our programs by connecting the Raspberry Pi to a screen. In a headless Raspberry Pi though, we use another computer to remotely connect to our Raspberry Pi using SSH, and then on that computer only we can control this and run all our programs. So to use our Raspberry Pi as a headless Raspberry Pi, we will need to make some configuration changes. So to do that, let's type sudo raspi config and let's press enter, and we have come to the configuration menu. So let's go to interfacing options and we'll just select SSH. Then we'll say yes to enable SSH, and now it has been enabled. And then we'll just go to finish because we are done with our changes, and now we are all set to go with SSH. What we need to have the IP address of our Raspberry Pi. So to do that, let's type ifconfig config. Now we have the IP address to remotely connect to our Raspberry Pi, and we have enabled SSH on our Raspberry Pi. So now we are all set to connect remotely to our Pi from SSH. Let's do it. So now let's remotely connect to our Raspberry Pi using SSH and run the blinking LED program. So here we have the Raspberry Pi circuit and it is powered up and it's connected to the LED, but we haven't connected a HDMI screen or any keyboard because we don't need them. We are using headless. So yes, we'll be using the Chrome Secure Shell extension to connect to our Raspberry Pi. So here we have to type in the IP address of our Raspberry Pi, and this is my Raspberry Pi's IP address. You have to type in yours and make sure here the port is 22, else you can change it, and then you can just click on this button or press enter to connect, and then it will give us a prompt to type the password. Then we will have to type in the password, and it will not be shown when you are typing it for security reasons. Then you can just click on enter after you type the password. Guess I typed in the wrong password. Now I'm connected to the Raspberry Pi, and now I can do whatever I can do on the we can do whatever we can do on the regular terminal. So ls to list all the files in the working directories. So we have got this, and blinkgpi.py is the program that we want to run. So we're just going to type in python blinkgpi.py to run it using Python. And now as we can see, the LED is all blinking. So we got the blinking LED up and running with a headless Raspberry Pi. So see you soon in the next video, and till then stay tuned. Bye bye.